The first time I created a Kahoot took me ages. The next ones took less effort, but their creation was still time-consuming. This needs to change. Let me show you how to create ready-to-be-played Kahoots in less than 2 minutes. Stick around to see how. First, log into your favorite chatbot. I will use ChatGPT as it's the one most people are familiar with. Speaking of ChatGPT, you don't need to have the paid version for this tutorial to work. The free version works just fine. Next, I will input a series of advanced prompts to ChatGPT. Remember, to get decent results, you need decent prompts. Insufficient prompts will lead to mediocre output. I have split the prompt into 3 parts as it's a pretty large one. By the way, you can download the prompt from the video's description link. Okay, the AI has generated a table. If you are not content with a specific question or choice, let it know what you didn't like and ask it to create an updated table. Then, head over to Kahoot's website and download the Spreadsheet template. After downloading the template, return to ChatGPT and copy the table it's generated for you manually. Do not use the copy function within ChatGPT. Do it by yourself. Now, paste the table into the spreadsheet you downloaded moments earlier. Be careful not to paste the table on the spreadsheet's first row, as this will mess things up. Save the template. Now, log into your Kahoot account. Next, click the Create button at the top right side of your screen. Pick the black canvas path and then click on the Add Question button at the left sidebar. Notice the Import Spreadsheet option on the pop-up menu that appeared. Click it. Find the Save template on your computer and import it. Finally, click on the Add Questions button. Voila! Your Kahoot is ready to be played. Mastering this process will allow you to create Kahoots in less than 2 minutes. Cool, right? To create effective Kahoots using ChatGPT or any AI-powered chatbot, you must master effective prompting and avoid the most common pitfalls. To learn how, watch Theodosi's phenomenal live tutorial from a few months ago by clicking the link displayed on your screen. This was it. Till the next time, see you!